Right, here I am on the Tuesday. Just past Oswestry, found a caravan and campsite to stay the night and do some laundry, get a shower, etc. It's called Cranberrymoss. Looks pretty nice as well. That's the facilities building, so your showers and your laundry and whatnot are over there. That's your reception. That's the way in. They've stuck me over there, which is good because I'm near the Wi-Fi sender. That should be helpful. It's got all the usual bins. I think those sort of low brick things are the dump stations, wastewater, toilets, etc. They definitely take pride in their horticulture. Very nice. Flowers and everything. This is where I've gone. So it's pretty quiet. Apparently they were busy for the bank holiday. It's very well laid out, very well looked after. I think all the tents are down there just over the rise. So yeah, pretty good, a lot of space. Would recommend it, and I've only been here 10 minutes, so yeah, excellent.